A print or a download process from your Torq tester to a computer that's simple to accomplish doesn't do you much good if the report content doesn't tell you everything that you need to know. In other words, that the reporting has complete content. What does Torqtronics 2 mean by complete content? Well, let's take a look at a report. Number one, you'll see the actual torque value and the units of measure from that test. Second, you'll see the mode that the tester was in when the test was performed. Third, a test result compared to the established range for the test. You'll see an OK, NG, or OVL. You want to see the test number. This way you can identify which specific test you're discussing. Number 5, Torqtronics 2 unit number, which is really important if you have more than one Torqtronics 2, is printed in the report. There are 3 different user-defined fields if you want to identify a specific line, a specific aspect of your assembly operation. The user-defined fields are there just for that purpose. Each one is 16 characters in length. And then you want to be able to see the low end of the torque range and the high end of the torque range, so you have an even better sense that the torque tester was set properly for the tool that was being tested. And last but not least, you want to be able to see the date and the time of the test. All this information is valuable and can help you data mine what is going on in your torque verification process. But what if your torque verification or calibration tool was compromised and you didn't know it? You're reading reports that contain complete information, but unfortunately that test information may be suspect. So how do you prevent that? We addressed this issue because our customers expressed a concern and we responded. Torqtronics 2 is the only torque tester on the market that tells you when it has been pulled over capacity to the point that it needs to be checked to ensure that it has not gone out of spec. Torqtronics 2 will continue to operate when it's been pulled to 120% or more of the unit's capacity, but each test is now identified with an OVL rather than the OKNG. We do it first because we can no longer be certain that the results are valid unless the unit has been checked and verified. Secondly, it helps you identify which tests were completed or made after the unit had been pulled into an overcapacity situation. Again, it's about protecting your quality. For more information about Torqtronics 2 and the fail-safe engineering that makes it so unique, contact your Sturtevant Richmond sales rep or your Sturtevant Richmond distributor.